Everyone, welcome to Science Channel. Today I would like to show you the website to make a plenty of plots without using code. As you can see from the chart, if you go to the website, they call SRplot website, right? And in here you can see that they have 1,000 plot. For example, here you can choose the cerebral color or go pathway enrichment analysis, or you can make a plot like word cloud or Sankey dot or multiplies, or you can go to another pages. You can see that 2D or violin or smooth line, 3D, dendrogram, or some kind of RNA, mRNA enrichment bubble. In here they also have like box plot, like they have flower lot, dual Y bar, or like connection line. In here they also have regression caster, QQ lot, or notif logo or whatever. Similar with that, you can see here I can show you another toy plot here, like vertical bar, or some kind of pathway, or some kind of cork go, or Venn diagram. And in here so I will select one of them and I can show you how to make the plot. But the first time you need to register, right? If you don't want to register, you can use the test account here, test and password the bio 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And here I already have account. I need to log in with my account and I verify my ID. Let me see here. All right, so here we go. So I already log in and I have around 48 points, and then I select the plots I would like to generate, right? In here I would like to use the Sankey and dot, right? As you can see that. And in here, when you click this plot, and they will show that what kind of indicator, what kind of information you need to input. You need to enter in the input data, and in here they can show you the option to make the plot, right? You can change the figure size, label, a color, whatever you want, and dark colors, p-value with color, or like you choose the font family of the images. In here, for example, this is the example plot, right? In here, if you don't know how to use, you just click the input example here. In here they will show you the, let me see here, they will show you the Excel file, right? In here they will have this is the input data, right? They have the description, they have the gene ratio, p-value, gene ID, count, and then you can make the plots. So in here, if you you perform enrichment analysis, you will have this data, right? And in here I don't want to waste time, and I only need you the example data from them, and I just copy. You remember that you need to have description, gene ratio, p-value, gene ID, count, and then here you can add another column whatever you want. But in here I think here is enough information for your paper or your presentation. In here, when you get the data, you just paste your data into the this box, and the first time you need to check the input. They said that the preliminary check has passed, please close this page, and then I close this page, and then in here you can select the default indicator they mentioned here, or you can change whatever you want. So in here the first time I select the default setting and I click submit, and you can see that just a couple seconds and they will show you result. From here you can click to see it bigger, right? You can see that they have a gene, the link with diseases, for example, Huntington disease, or some kind of like pathway or cellular component or biological process. And in here you can see that the graph very nice. You can see that they have the gene linked with disease or some kind of target biological activity. And in here then show the ratio, right? And here they show the from small to large up count, and then the p-value log 10, it means that height log minus log 10, it means that lowered p-value, right? And here if you want to download this like they have the PDF file, PNG or zip file in here. For example, I refer to like the PNG. I click the PNG with 300 dpi, and you can see that the image is very nice and it is ready for publication. So in here let's talking about what kind of this website. This website this is the SRplot, right? This is free and easy to use. And here this website was published in the PLOS One. This is a very good journal, and you know that. And in here they said that a lot of people around the world, more than 100, maybe let me see here, more than 150,000 people around the world use website, and around more than 40,000 people use this website, and they have around more than 2,700 citation this website. And so you did the original website on paper. They published in 2023, just 3 years ago, and they got more than 2,000 citation measured by PLOS One. And you can see that it is very friendly, and you can click, you can come here and you can use the website here, right? They go on SRplot web server is now freely available at here, and you can click this link and you can see let me see here. All right, and then you can see as I mentioned before, like you can see that welcome to the SRplot. And here if you want, you can click all modular, or you can go directly to the specific plot you want, pie, bar, line, caster, gene. You can see have like big vein or some kind, whatever you want, or clinical plot like forest plot, or some kind of like ROC, some kind of like or map or whatever, with the very friendly, and like everybody can use for handle data without coding. I know that usually people can use ChatGPT or AI to draw the code, but like maybe you need to understand what a little bit about code, right? Maybe they can make your images careful, beautiful, and friendly, but if you don't like to use AI, you can use the default setting here, and you can have the same result with high quality and publishable images. I hope this video will help you to figure out how to make the beautiful graph for future study. Thank you for listening.